वेलकम टू प्रिंट शॉर्ट एंड हाउस। स्टूडेंट्स, लीगल डिक्टेशन हम आपको प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं 100 वर्ड्स ए मिनट, जो बेस्ट रहेगी जब भी आने वाले टेस्ट हैं पंजाब एंड हरियाणा हाई कोर्ट चंडीगढ़ का, और भविष्य में 120 की जो तैयारी करेंगे अहमदाबाद हाई कोर्ट गुजरात के लिए और अन्य किसी भी कोर्ट्स के लिए। तो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं 100 वर्ड्स ए मिनट लीगल। स्टार्ट। विक्रमजीत सेन जे 31 May 2004 in divorce proceedings initiated by the revisionist (husband). The respondent wife had filed an application under section 24 of the Hindu Marriage Act for the grant of maintenance for herself and for her two minor children. By the impugned order dated 31st January 2003, the additional district judge has come to the conclusion that the husband's statement of his salary being rupees 29,000 per month does not inspire confidence. Full stop. The additional district judge has kept in mind the husband's own statement that he was spending a sum of rupees 45,000 per month on himself. Full stop. It is the finding of the trial court that the husband was drawing a sum of rupees 1,30,000 per month as salary. Full stop. In order to enable the wife and children to live in the same status in which the husband of rupees 75,000 per month to the respondent, together with 1 lakh towards litigation expenses. Full stop. The order has been asserted in the present revision petition. Full stop. A detailed hearing took place on February 28, 2003, on which date S.N. Kapoor passed the following order. Full stop. Mother of the petitioner is no more. Full stop. Father of the petitioner has lot of property in Karnataka and that property has been sold. Full stop. He is getting pension. Full stop. He is getting pension. Full stop. He cannot be said to be dependent on the petitioner. Full stop. There is dispute about the exact income of the petitioner. Full stop. In the offer of appointment for the alliance heir, there is a clause that your gross monthly emoluments for the term of agreement at 65 flying hours will be approximately 1.30 lakh as per statement, giving details of monthly emoluments attached with it. Full stop. Flying allowance at the rate of rupees 1,300 per flying hour is supposed to be given. Full stop. It came to rupees 84,500 per month. Full stop. Seeing all other allowances, the approximate figure of income of rupees 1,30,000 may be generally true, but with variations here and there. Full stop. Supposing, for the sake of argument, if it is accepted that income would be around at income of rupees 1,30,000, even then nearly 30% thereof would be required to be paid towards income tax. Full stop. It would come to approximately rupees 39,000 per month. Full stop. In this 39,000 is deducted, then the actual gross salary in the hand of the petitioner would come to bring up two growing children of 13 and 11 years. Grant of maintenance at the rate of rupees 75,000 out of rupees 91,000 would not be justified by any stretch of imagination, and therefore the order is required to be modified. Full stop. In aforementioned circumstances, for the present it would be appropriate to direct the accounts officer concerned, office of the alliance heir, that is the employer of the petitioner, disbursing the pay and allowance to the petitioner, to issue a check in the name of the respondent at the rate of 60% of the remaining amount after deducting tax with effect from 1st March 2003 to the petitioner keeping in view the personal and professional expenses which are likely to be incurred by the petitioner while working on flying duties as well, full stop. This amount of 60% would include all payments which have maintenance accordingly, full stop. This order shall be effective from 1st March 2003, full stop. Stop. Thank you, students.